So it doesn't go much faster, does it?
No.
Still dropping the nose, isn't it?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I'll redo those horns.
I don't think it's bad.
No.
It's just a function of the
Well,
wheel
yeah, it's,
things. Like I'm banking really speed hard.
yeah.
Like if I just do a gentle roll like that, not really dropping the nose. That's like,
Well, most of our planks, most of our wings do drop their nose, don't they?
correct.
I'm going to do some max climbs, it'd be all right.
The max climb up will take off.
What's it?
Oh, yep.
Right.
We'll come around.
Yeah.
And we'll do that again. Ready? Run out of airspeed like that.
Yeah, well, the predictor's about 40 degrees is about all it's going to do. So that's on motor calc at that weight.
Yeah.
Because that's, you know, that's getting up there. It's about almost 1.2 kilos at that.
Because we've got last one.
Is that you hearing cavitation?
No?
Anyway, have fun.
Oh, I've had my fun.
Yeah.
Now let's throttle back again.
What? Orientation.
No, my throttle pump has got nervous.
Has it? So do you want to do any stally type things
Oh,
up
yeah.
there?
Or up there. Rightio. Throttling off. No motor. Pulling back, pulling back, pulling back. Pull back stick. That's pull back stick.
It just fell away in a straight line, did it, or what?
Yeah, it's got a slight turn to
Yeah, well, yeah, that's pretty docile, isn't it?
Yeah. Wanted to drop the left wing.
Right.
Not really drop, but
Yeah.
pointing into that.
Right.
Might try landing again.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah, I left the other little model at home, so never mind. Thanks for that, Ray. Try and pull the angle of attack up if you can. Right.
That's full back stick.
Well, that
Full back stick.
does work